Alright, this is what happens to the real carbon fiber lips. $500 out the door, or $600, whatever. Sheesh. So I guess if you're dailing one of these, it's not really worth the price. This thing got messed up. It was fine for 2 seasons, but the 3rd season it couldn't handle, so it's done. Done and done for this lip. Alright guys, so this is the new lip we're gonna be rocking on the M4. Clearly fake carbon, but I don't care, judge me all you want, but I'm not spending another $600-700 on a real lip that's gonna get destroyed within, you know, next winter. I'm daily in the car, so I don't care. I'll throw this on and see how this looks. Alright guys, so the way I approach this is I measured the perfect center of this, and then align the separation to the center of the bumper, and then everything else is pretty simple. I use literally interior wood screws to just screw this on there. It's the shortest screw that I have, so it's about 1/2 inch, and I mean everything else is kind of to your liking, so just make sure you have it aligned correctly and then zip her on there. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good for it being $50. You can't beat that. I mean, I don't know about you, judge me all you want, but I can't. I'm not in a position to spend $700-800 or more on the real carbon fiber lip that's gonna get destroyed in 1 season anyway. I mean, I daily this car, and besides the little split in the center right there, this is a really nice looking fake carbon fiber lip. So this is what the fitment looks like. I really liked it. I really like it. I like this style as well. Like it better than my previous style real lip. Alright guys, well this will wrap up this video. Hope you liked it. As always, please do give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't so already. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.